Welcome to Andro Indian. Today, we're exploring the core of modern project management, the value delivery system. Project management is no longer just about following a schedule, it's about delivering tangible value. But what exactly is a value delivery system? It's the strategic framework that turns ideas into results. It begins with strategic alignment, ensuring every project goal matches the organization's vision. Next, we have governance, the rules and oversight that keep the delivery on track and accountable. Then it flows into portfolio and program management, where resources are allocated effectively. Traditionally, we use predictive models. These work best when requirements are clear and stable. Predictive models offer structure and clarity, which is essential for large-scale infrastructure projects. However, in today's fast-paced tech world, adaptive models like Agile are often more effective. Adaptive systems allow for rapid changes based on feedback, ensuring the final product meets user needs. Many successful organizations now use a hybrid approach, blending the best of both worlds. A key part of this system is value engineering, optimizing functions while reducing unnecessary costs. We also see the shift left strategy, where quality management starts at the very beginning of the life cycle. This requires holistic systems thinking, looking at how every part of the project interacts. Monitoring value requires the right KPIs. Are we hitting our targets? Are we delivering what was promised? Accountability is the glue that holds the system together, from the project manager to the stakeholders. Modern delivery systems also integrate ESG factors, focusing on sustainability and ethical impact. Value delivery isn't static. It requires continuous improvement through every phase gate. Phase gates ensure that criteria are met before the project moves forward, protecting the investment. And today, AI is playing a huge role in optimizing these systems for even greater efficiency. In the Indian context, we see this in massive infrastructure and IT projects across the country. Take the Digital India Initiative, where value delivery systems have transformed public services. Even in logistics, VTS systems ensure that value is delivered efficiently through real-time tracking. Ultimately, the success of these systems depends on an empowered culture within the team. It's about leadership that inspires rather than just authority that commands. The future of project management is value-driven, flexible, and human-centric. By mastering the value delivery system, you ensure your projects aren't just finished but successful. Thank you for joining us today to sharpen your project management expertise. For more insights, visit androindian.com and follow our journey on social media. Like, share, and subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.